today's the day for all those of you that have the Commander Max XTs or the Commander Max or the Maverick Sport MAX. You know about that dreaded driveline chatter, that noise right about 4,700 RPMs, two-wheel drive that puts you right at 25 miles an hour, that perfect trail cruising speed, and it just makes this terrible noise. And it has for the last 4 or 5 years or so, and it's been driving me crazy. But Can-Am told us at the BRP dealer meeting that they have it fixed. And this is the updated Driveline. So today, I'm gonna drive this thing for the first time, and we're gonna find out together if it's still making that noise or not. All right, y'all, here we go. We're gonna put her to the test. We're in two-wheel drive, the rear end's in diff lock. We're gonna go ahead and try this out in two-wheel drive, and then I'm gonna do it in four-wheel drive just to make sure there's no changes there. But two-wheel drive has always been where our chatter and our noise was coming from. So here we go. RPMs, 47. No driveline chatter. Everything's sounding good, feeling good. $1,400, 4,800, 4,700. That area right there is where it's been happening, and it's not happening. It's quiet as can be. Very smooth, very quiet. Big difference in two-wheel drive. Now I'm gonna switch it over to four-wheel drive, and we're gonna see what that does. Super smooth, super quiet. Well, there we go, guys. That has been a major issue for the last 4 or 5 years. Been driving me crazy, and looks like Can-Am has it solved. So there you go. If you're looking to buy a 2025 Can-Am Commander Max, the Driveline is fixed, or even a Maverick Sport MAX, you're good to go.